Welcome to Review Lab. The best replacement bulbs is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components for keeping your cherished Apartment 56 villages illuminated and magical, ensuring that each tiny structure continues to cast its warm, inviting glow during the holiday season and beyond, and finding the right ones can make all the difference in preserving the ambience and detail of your miniature displays. Number 5. Meonum 6 Pieces Christmas Village Replacement LED Bulbs. Introducing our set of 6 replacement LED bulbs, designed to bring light back to your festive displays. These bulbs are perfect for keeping your Christmas village and other decorations shining bright all season long. You'll receive a total of 6 replacement bulbs, ensuring you have enough to meet your needs. Keep your holiday decorations powered up without worry. These mini T20 bulbs operate at 120 volts and 0.7 watts, offering bright illumination while being energy efficient. They are designed to last, reducing the need for frequent replacements and saving you money. Specifically designed for village buildings and accessories that require 120V bulbs. They are an excellent choice for replacing old, burnt-out bulbs and maintaining the charm of your display. Replacing these bulbs is a breeze. Simply remove the old bulb and insert the new one to instantly restore the light to your Christmas trees and village scenes. It's an easy, hassle-free operation. Each bulb measures approximately 2 inches in height and 0.78 inches in diameter. Their compact size makes them a perfect fit for various holiday decorations, providing a significant visual impact. What we like? This set offers great value with 6 LED bulbs. If you need a bulk supply from multiple village pieces or frequent replacements, this is a cost-effective choice. They are designed for standard 120V systems and are easy to install. What people say? These seem to still get warm but not as bad as the old bulbs. I don't think they are burning out quick, which is good. Each bulb is in its own box, which is nice too. Good lights. Perfect color and size for village replacement bulbs. Easy to install and lasts a long time. Don't overheat. Number 4. Department 56 Replacement Bulbs, Set of 3. Ensure the authenticity of your village display with genuine Department 56 accessories. Trust in the quality that has been a part of special holidays since 1976. Each piece is meticulously handcrafted, reflecting a dedication to detail and artistry. Experience the charm and quality that goes into every accessory. These replacement bulbs are designed to fit seamlessly into your existing village setup. They provide the perfect illumination for your cherished display. This set includes 3 replacement bulbs, ensuring you have spares ready when needed. Keep your village glowing brightly throughout the holiday season. Designed for convenient wall mounting, these bulbs can be easily installed to enhance your display. Enjoy a hassle-free setup for your festive decorations. What we like? Ensure authenticity and quality with these genuine Department 56 bulbs. If you prioritize brand consistency and the handcrafted aesthetic of your village, these are the perfect fit. They are designed to seamlessly integrate with your existing Department 56 displays. What people say? Perfect fit for Department 56 pieces. These bulbs are designed specifically for Department 56 items, which means they fit perfectly into my village houses and accessories. Bright and clear light. The bulbs give off a warm, clear light that adds the perfect touch to my display. They illuminate the pieces beautifully without being too harsh or too dim, creating the ideal ambience. Easy to install. Replacing the bulbs in my Department 56 pieces was a breeze. The bulbs are easy to handle and install without any hassle. Number 3. Department 56 Single Cord Set Lights. Is your Department 56 village light flickering? This switched cord set is the perfect replacement for many single light buildings. Simply swap out the old cord for this new one. It's designed to fit buildings that use a single bulb, like Shelley's Diner. This cord set comes with a 120-volt bulb. It's a direct replacement for standard cords in your village display. To ensure you purchase the correct replacement bulb, please check the product packaging. This will guarantee a perfect fit for your needs. Don't let a faulty cord dim your display. Keep your Department 56 village looking its best with this essential accessory. What we like? This option comes with a complete cord set, ideal for buildings that need a new power source or a single light replacement. If you're dealing with a damaged cord or a building that requires a specific single light setup, this is your go-to solution. It simplifies the process of getting a single village house lit up again. What people say. The replacement corded light for my Dickens village building is exactly as described and shown in the photo. It works perfectly as expected. This was a replacement light set for a very old snow village set. It was exactly what I needed and was delivered very quickly. A great product that lights up my miniature houses and barns on my credenza. The light is a beautiful color and is just enough to illuminate inside the structures. Would certainly recommend such a useful product to anyone who might have similar structures. Number 2. Department 56 Replacement 12-volt Light Bulb. Keep your Department 56 villages illuminated with these essential replacement bulbs. They are designed to fit specific buildings and accessories within the collection. This set includes 2 white 12-volt light bulbs. They are perfect for ensuring your favorite village pieces continue to shine brightly. Please note that these bulbs are specifically designed for a select range of Department 56 items. Check the compatibility list to ensure a perfect fit for your display. These are intended only for use with compatible models, including item numbers 56.58746, 4025255, 4025281, 4030712, and 4030736. To prevent electrical problems or premature burnout, it's crucial to only use these bulbs in the specified buildings. Do not attempt to use them in other models. What we like. These 12-volt bulbs are specifically designed for a select range of Department 56 buildings. If you own one of the compatible models and need a precise replacement for a 12-volt system, this is the correct choice. Using them ensures safety and optimal performance for those particular pieces. What people say. These are low-voltage lights, meaning they will only work in low-voltage sockets. Standard voltage is 120, whereas these are only 12. Be careful when you select bulb replacements, as different Department 56 items require different kinds of bulbs. Some need to work on 120V AC, some need to work on 12V like these, and I think some are designed for 6V. Read your instructions carefully so that you pick the correct bulbs. No problem with these bulbs when used with 12 volts. I expect that people who had the bulbs blow out as soon as they turned them on were not connected to 12 volts. Probably regular house 115 volts. Number 1. Department 56 Replacement 3-volt Light Bulb. Ensure your Department 56 village displays shine bright with genuine accessories. Trust in the quality that has been a part of special holidays since 1976. Each piece is meticulously handcrafted, reflecting the care and attention to detail you expect. These bulbs are designed to perfectly complement your village scenes. This pack includes 2 3-volt white light bulbs, ideal for replacing burnt-out bulbs in your Department 56 village pieces. They provide a warm, consistent glow. Measuring just 2.0 inches long, 0.75 inches wide, and 0.75 inches high, these bulbs are designed to fit discreetly within your displays. They offer a subtle yet essential illumination. Bring your Department 56 village to life this holiday season. These replacement bulbs ensure your cherished displays remain vibrant and welcoming for all to enjoy. What we like. For village pieces requiring a low 3-volt power source, these genuine Department 56 bulbs are essential. If your specific building needs this lower voltage to function correctly and safely, this pack of 2 is the ideal solution. It guarantees compatibility and the intended lighting effect for specialized items. What people say. This was a perfect replacement for the original. The bulb fit the church perfectly and works great. Wattage is perfect, etc. I was worried at first, but it is 3 watt, which is the same as the first. 3-volt bulbs for specific Department 56 buildings and accessories that use them. See your Department 56 box or check your bulb for it labeled 3-volt. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.